was a big skank, hit from top bro. That's a liability, bro. Boosting my finding somebody. What's the vibe now? MOP. Turn right.
That's what the permit's for.
But I mean, that's fine. I'm okay with that.
And then I need to post that at the condo. Oh, okay. That'll probably have to pull the toilet and see the seal underneath it. Okay, I'll let the office know.
That's a top catch. It really. Keeper will play at the back end of the innings. Hence Rinku Singh coming in a little bit earlier. And this is an example. Oh, he's laid into that. Look how deep he is in the crease.
Alright, I'll try that now.
14 and a quarter. 14 and a quarter.
Finish like I'm like, hey, you finish at 12. What are you doing?
You're a true professional. Go ahead. Let me help you out.
In the States, Aragosta.
Oh, but I want to be able to put my arm down there.
But I do this already.
Tell me what you see. Any water?
I don't see the water, man.
You can see the ceiling underneath the toilet?
Not exactly.
You underneath the toilet? Do I see a flange or anything?
Ready for that toilet. Bro, I just wanna do the work and go home. I can't bother with the bullshit, man. Stop that shit. Let me borrow it.
Nice work. True professional.